Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Shay Skylar, and I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be by a company. This is my first time working with this company. I'm super excited because it is a headband unit. Y'all know I love headband units because they are what? Beginner friendly, easy to install, and easy to maintain. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. Video is sponsored by Hairsmarket. This is the box that the unit came in. It was FedEx shipping. It was super fast. If they wouldn't have gotten my address wrong, that would have been even better. But whatever, nonetheless, I got my wig and I'm super excited. So let's get into the contents. So in the box, we have the wig itself, and y'all know I show y'all that last. They also give you a variety of headband units. So I have these 4, well, actually 5. So I have these 5 here. Also, they give you a little pamphlet of their like units, and then how to take care of it, and the guarantee instructions of their wigs and all that information. And then they also give you the wig cap with 2 pieces in a pack, y'all. So let's go ahead and get into this unit. She is a 24-inch deep wave headband unit. She's 150% density, and we're just going to take her out the pack and look at these lovely curls. This is without me doing fresh out the pack, y'all, doing nothing to these curls. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get into the construction of the unit. So we have, all right, y'all, so we're working with 4 combs. All right, so we have 3 that are to the side, the one that's right in the front, and then we also have the comb that is in the back. Then y'all know that we have this is what the initial headband that you have on, that you can tighten to your liking to fit to your head. She's 24 inches. So I've already prepped my edges, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is just take off my scarf, and hopefully they, so they did what they were supposed to do. All right, so edges slayed. All right, so now you can do the unit with or without a cap. I'd like to do it without a cap because I like to directly attach my headband unit to my braids that I have going on. So I'm just going to adjust this so it can fit as tight as possible, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply the unit. And I'm gonna adjust her to see where I want to put her. I want all edges shown today since my hair decided to work with me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and attach all of my combs to the unit. All right, so we went ahead and attached it, and y'all, she giving me life already. Like, this is just me putting her on with the edges slayed. She is so pretty. I don't even want to really give her a comb out because I'm really liking these curls, but I want to show y'all how she looks combs. I'm just going to take my wide tooth comb, wherever they may be, all right, here. And then I'm just going to give this unit a comb out because I want y'all to see how she looks big and beautiful. Y'all, I'm supposed to be selling this unit, but oh, I am loving her. All right, so this is how she's looking, big and beautiful. All right, and I want to show y'all how long she is. So she is 24. She is 24 inches. All right, and this is where she's coming on me. Y'all, she is just so freaking pretty. I love her. Like, she is so pretty. All right, so you can style her with the headbands that the unit comes with. Filling her with the black headband. I am just loving sis. She is really thick. I am loving her density and her fullness. I don't even want to put water on her because I'm liking the way she looks. So I'm just going to do a couple of styles for you guys. Y'all know I like to do the styling so I can show y'all how y'all can work y'all units, because not only are they beginner friendly, but they are very versatile. Okay, so you can style the units any way that you want. What you're going to need is scrunchie or scrunchies. You can use bobby pins if you want to pin her up in a bun. Teddy, pin her down. All right, so we're gonna get into the first style. all right, which is the ponytail. When you put on the headband, and that is the purpose of it, is for you not to be able to see anything, right, of the unit. So I'm just going to place on this cheetah headband, right? And I'm gonna put it right on top of the black and cover it. All right, so what we want to do is go ahead and, y'all, I just love her. We want to put her in a pony, right? So we're just going to take our scrunchie and then put sis in a pony. And then y'all know I can like slit these edges back, but I just want to show y'all, okay, that we can just put her up. We can do a half up, half down with her. Y'all know this is one of my favorite styles with headband units. And you're just gonna grab some of the hair, okay? And then you're just going to take your scrunchie, all right? And then you're going to just bada bing, bada boom. And let's tilt this up so y'all can see our half up, half down. I'm loving her. Her curls are everything. Get into it. I don't even like want to wet her, okay? And then we're just going to go into the bun, all right? And all you do is just wrap it around. Take a little bobby pin, all right? And then pin her up. I am loving her, y'all. Let me know what you think about sis. I just love her fullness. I'm gonna turn to the back so y'all can see. Headband units are a great investment, y'all. Like, I'm telling you, they are just the go-to style. So if you are loving this unit, y'all let me know. I am loving the curls. I like her big and stretched out. I really, like, I just love her. She's just so full and just giving me like Jamaican, let me go to the beach curly vibes. All right, so if you like this unit, let me know. Make sure you thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you've ever heard of this company. Like, this is my first time hearing of Hairsmarket, and they're a wholesale and fast shipping company. So I'll put all of the information about this unit in the description box, okay? I'll put other little headband units up here so y'all can see. And yeah, okay, this video was quick and to the point. I love you guys so much. I thank you so much for watching. I pray that you enjoyed this video. I pray many blessings upon all of you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.